HY, welcome to our channel Write and Learn with Fun and Joy. Today, in this video, we will explore how to craft a write-up on Yellow Color Day. We'll begin with an introduction, followed by decorating ideas, attire suggestions, engaging activities, and finally, conclude with a summary.
We will start with the introduction. Welcome to our vibrant celebration of Yellow Color Day. Today, we embark on a journey filled with brightness, warmth, and joy as we immerse ourselves in the radiant hue of yellow. In our pre-primary school, we believe in the power of colors to stimulate young minds, fostering creativity and imagination. Yellow Color Day offers a wonderful opportunity for our little learners to explore, create, and express themselves through various fun-filled activities.
As our little ones step into the school premises, they are greeted by a burst of sunshine, the hallways adorned with yellow balloons, streamers, and bunting. The classrooms are transformed into cheerful havens with yellow flowers, artwork, and posters showcasing the beauty of this vibrant color. Everywhere they look, the children are surrounded by the warmth and positivity that yellow brings.
In the spirit of Yellow Color Day, our young scholars come dressed in their brightest yellow attire. From sunny t-shirts to lemony dresses, each child adds their own unique touch of yellow, radiating happiness and enthusiasm.
Yellow collage. To kick off the celebrations, the children engage in a collaborative yellow collage project. Armed with yellow construction paper, crayons, markers, and stickers, they let their imagination soar as they create suns, flowers, and other yellow-themed masterpieces. This activity encourages teamwork, creativity, and fine motor skills development. Lemonade stand. What better way to embrace the color yellow than with a refreshing glass of lemonade? The children take turns role-playing as little entrepreneurs, running their very own lemonade stand.
Yellow treasure hunt. In this exciting outdoor activity, the children embark on a treasure hunt to find hidden yellow treasures scattered around the schoolyard. Armed with treasure maps and magnifying glasses, they eagerly search for yellow toys, trinkets, and treasures hidden beneath the sunshine. This activity promotes teamwork, problem-solving skills, and physical exercise. Sunflower planting. As part of our commitment to environmental education, the children participate in a sunflower planting activity. With their tiny hands, they carefully plant sunflower seeds in pots filled with rich soil, learning about the importance of nurturing and caring for living things. As the day draws to a close, our Yellow Color Day celebration comes to an end, but the memories and lessons learned will stay with our little learners forever. Through engaging activities, they have not only explored the beauty of the color yellow but also developed valuable skills and cherished friendships along the way. As they bid farewell to Yellow Color Day, their hearts are filled with warmth and their faces adorned with smiles, ready to embrace the next colorful adventure that awaits them.